What's up, mga palangga akong viewers? It's me again, Zara Jara Ortega Alasal. Welcome to my vlog. Today is May 23, 2024. Oras na para alamin natin ang pulso ng taong Rizalian. Joke, since nandito tayo sa Rizal Elementary School, mas nakakasama at nakikita natin sila araw-araw. So, hulaan or alamin nga natin ano nga ba ang gender ng aking baby O.
Boys po.
Boy! How about you, King? Anong hula mo sa gender ng baby O?
Boy.
It's a boy?
Boy.
It's a boy. Alive ka!
Boy.
It's a boy. What's your guess? Boy. It's a boy? How about you?
Boy!
How about you,
It's
Nina?
a boy!
What's your guess?
I believe it's a girl.
It's a girl! To Jo.
It's a girl.
It's a girl! What's your guess?
I guess it's a boy.
Scene.
I think it's a boy.
Oh my goodness. How about you, Nina? Abby, what's your guess?
Of course,
It's
a boy.
What's your guess, girl?
It's a boy.
It's a boy? It's a boy?
Girl.
Ay! My goodness! Mars? Ay! It's a girl!
Boy.
It's a boy! Dito na ako, mapalangga akong viewer sa AVR.
Boy.
It's
boy.
It's a boy.
It's a girl.
It's a
girl.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy. It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy. It's
Marvin.
Oh, it's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Girl.
It's a girl. It's a
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a girl. It's a boy. It's a
It's
A boy.
It's a boy, Ninang.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Again, it's a boy.
It's a boy.
Wala boy. Boy.
Oh, my goodness. How about you, Ate Glens? What's your guess?
It's a boy.
What's your guess?
It's a boy.
How about you,
It's a
Max?
girl.
What's your guess?
a pretty baby girl.
Oh, my goodness.
Me, boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
handsome boy.
Ay, that's a boy.
Handsome boy na nga.
Boy, boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Ay, it's a boy.
Beauty baby girl.
Ay, it's a girl. Mama Marsha, it's
Boy.
it's a boy.
Boy na pog.
Ay! What's your guess sa gender? Baby na, ano? It's a boy! How about you, Zion? It's a boy. Your guess, ma'am?
It's a boy.
It's a boy. How about Marika? What's your guess?
Yeah, it's a baby girl.
Ah! Ayan na, palangga akong viewers, hindi man lahat na tanong natin ng mga teachers sa Rizal, pero may mga guess na nga sila kung ano ang gender ni baby tomorrow. So, mapalangga akong viewers, sama-sama nating alamin bukas, May 24, 2024, sa oras na 4:40 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, malalaman na natin kung it is a boy or a girl!